Hi, I have the Lian Li Lancool II. That is a Mark II because they have the version Mark 1, but this is the Mark II which we're going to be doing the unboxing today. After the unboxing, I'm going to leave the video for about a week so that you can get back to me what you would like to see in disassembling of this case, because I'm definitely going to do a disassembly of this case. And probably I would like to have a little build, move my build from this system into it to just check it out. I still like the Corsair 220T, which I'm still going to be using for a while. So just to show you what's good about this case and what is bad. So let me get it out of the case, of the box. Let me get the case out of the box, then we can see what we have from here. So let's go. Okay. Here we have it. Let me bring it out. This is definitely a huge case. Wow. Okay, this is the down part. I'm gonna get that one out of the way first. And this way. Wow. Okay guys, here we have it. You may be wondering, white. Yeah, I did get white version of the NZST before, which was the H400 or H410, which was also in white. By mistake before in one of my videos, I was surprised when I brought it out and I was like, white, oh, white. Oh, so but this I intentionally ordered it in white so we can just see, because it's been black all over. So this is going to be the unboxing, and this is the manual which was up here telling you everything about the case that you need to know. Just a single paper, which is very good, saving the planet. And this is the case, this is the side. I'm gonna move it to this side so we can see what we have from here. This is the front panel. This is a cutout metal, which is not aluminum, it's metal and it's a little bit cut out. This is where the LED display, and this other one, it looks like metal also. Yeah, but probably a mixture of metal and plastic. That is for the front panel. And this sides, both sides do opens. You see, it opens like a wing, and the other side also do opens there. And that glass pulls out with the hinges, which you can see. And the other side also does the same for the back panel. So you have two hinges of a jet or whatever trying to fly away. So before we go into the inside, I'm gonna show you from the top from here. We have two USB and one for USB-C, which is sold optionally or something like that. We'll check the case to see if it is inside. The power, earphone jack, connect this both earphone and mic, just one jack, reset button, and these two written A and I think it's C and M. I think it's for switching the RGB light in front of here. We will see. So let's get inside. Down here, if you can see, is the caddy for the 3.5 HDD drive. There are three of them which they said can be swap or swipe, and I don't know if you want to use it, we will see. The power pack, which is big enough for a big power pack. I'm not sure how long of a power pack can go inside there, but I basically think there's no problem with power pack over there. There's a little bit space in front if you're trying to put a radiator there. And this comes out, just bring it up, it comes out. But if you look at it very well, this one is longer, here is longer. and here is shorter. So I'm not sure if there's a mistake there or something like that, but I will check it out later. Or maybe it needs to go inside more or something like that, which is being screwed down into the body. It comes with one exhaust fan included here from Lian Li and another one in front here, which you can also add 2 more to have 3 fans and stuff like that. It's a huge case. It's really heavy. I have to be honest with you. Going to the back panel is a mini ATS case, so they don't have a lot of this here, but I think you have enough to add any card or slot you want to add to your PCI cards. The motherboard and the fan is here, hard drive, and comes to this side also, which is the back. The glass can also be removed. I'm not sure you can swap them from one side to another, but well, you can remove the glasses also. And here is interesting. They got 4 slots or 4 caddy for your 2.5 hard drive, maybe SSDs. You can have 4 here. Remember, you can also have 3 here for your HDD drives. This is cable cover, the like cable management cover, which you can just like thumb screw, remove it out. This is melter. Sorry for the noise. So I don't think you should worry yourself more about it. It's going to last for a long time. So this is a really solid case. From main looking at it, everything is melter steel. So nothing is gonna get breaking or broken very easily and not very flimsy. So this is what they have for the cable management here. They have the one for the USB, the power to connect the RGB, I believe, audio. This is the RGB light. This is for the power starting and reset connection. And yeah, that's just everything they have on this side. Nothing much. And I'm gonna close this so I can move it to the other side. I'm gonna toss everything in there, and it accommodates ATS case, micro ATS case, and also ITS case. So you can basically put any of them here. And I think this is to cover the cable or stuff like that from the outside, just cable management when it moves in from here. I really dig the case. I got a cooler, which I did the unboxing of in the other video. Maybe you can see somewhere there, which wasn't a good cooler because I couldn't mount it very well, and I did find a solution. Apart from that, cooling is fine. I did say don't buy it the other time, but you can buy it if you can find a way to mount it on your motherboard. Get the cooler, it's cheap and it's very nice. So I'm gonna be using it to make a build here, and I'm gonna be using my ITS case because I have my ITS motherboard, which is in this Corsair 22OT carbon something like that, which I'm gonna be using. Transfer it there so we can have a look at it. So guys, this is the Lian Li Lancool II. If you have any question you like to know before we do the disassembling of this case, you can please leave it down there in the comment section, and I'm gonna check it out. And when I'm doing the disassembling, I can just focus on those things you want to see and what I will do, and we can actually have more discussion on this case. So thanks for being around, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out my other videos somewhere on the screen now, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace. Odabo.